sounds miles better than it did. Everything is really crisp and clear and really concise. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be part 2 of the Bavsound Stage 1 speaker upgrade install on my E92 M3. So now we're going to be working on the back and we should be good to go on the Stage 1 sound system. Alright guys, so let's get to it. We're going to be working on the passenger side first since we're over here. There's the speaker there. We don't need to take all of this stuff off. We just need to remove the blue wire right there. And speaker should come right out. There we go. Okay, so here's our new speaker from Bavsound. The great thing again is it's a plug and play solution. It's the exact same size as the OEM one, same mounting areas and all that. So here's our new one. So go ahead and slide this one back in. This side is done. All right, let's see what we got. All right guys, that wraps up the Bavsound Stage 1 speaker install. Let me know if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns about the system. I think it sounds fantastic. It's super clear. I know that the video probably doesn't do it justice, but in person it sounds miles better than it did. Everything is really crisp and clear and really concise, and I really like it. So I cannot wait to get the subs installed, but super easy to install. It just takes a little bit of time and, you know, removing some panels, but otherwise plug and play system. Really happy with it. So if you guys have comments, questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for the next one.